Hey Spoken fam, welcome back or welcome back to my channel. It's Kosegro. I recently came across this channel, or more like one of my sisters showed me this channel called Crash Course. It has John Green and Hank Green. They both have TikTok accounts. I don't know if the YouTube channel that they're a part of does or not. I don't know. But if they do, I'll find it and link it down below. Yesterday I learned stuff about and took notes of negating digital information online, and currently I'm learning about study skills, and then I'm gonna look into all the other playlists they have on there and learn stuff off of there. And then after that I'm gonna look into learning other stuff from other channels with like math and stuff, because I'm trying to upgrade the grade levels that I have, because I do have a learning disorder, but my learning disorder levels and my grade levels mentally when it comes to learning are like really low, but that does not affect me my age. I'm not mentally younger than that, because a lot of people just assume when people have learning disorders and stuff means they're mentally younger than they are, but that's not true, because that doesn't how disabilities work, or at least the one I have anyways. So because it does not do that, it does not work that way whatsoever. So I'm just trying to learn stuff because I would love to be able to get my GED at some point one day. It's my plan of mine that I want to do. I've been wanting to get my GED since I graduated high school, but I was in a program for my learning from 3rd grade up till I was graduating high school. So yeah, so it's that. So I hope you guys like this video. I'll link their YouTube channel down below if you guys want to check it out, if anyone comes across this video. So hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe.